Dan, let's just walk this whole trench.
I'm watching the fucking hill, man.
Really? Yeah. Oh man, well, I saw that. Like, all of them hit him. What the freak, man? So oh, he's running. There's one coming up in the tree.
Yeah, this is the last game. We're done in about 10 minutes. Okay, that's all right. Now you got me shot. Not you. No, not you. No. God just hooked by me where the center has taken a video. It's all on the shoulder. I leaned out and got stopped. Freaking Santa Claus.
Hey, I'm a zombie.
I don't like you.
That was so fucking awesome. I got all you.
I just looked at you. I'm like, is he on our team?
Hey, let's push this up.
Dude, I got like I put shit on me. They're right there in the tent. You know, that's the spot. Hi. Shit. Hey! Man, I got all the way up there as a human. They're right up there.
Dead people don't talk.
Hey, fuckers! Oh man, they got a sniper pointed on me. I'm going back. What's up? I'm trying to shoot with the pistol.
wide open right there. Another one running?
Tommy, what have I got over there? Yeah.
How did that shoot out?
Hey, moving right. Pushing up. Gunner.
Get Santa Claus. He needs the keys!
Lob him up here. Toss him up.
I'm filming the most gangster player.
Hey! All those kills you just got was no kills. Hey! There he is.
Right there?
Will,
Hey, Will,
Will,
watch it.
Will.
Will, Trick.
What's
He's
that?
right
Wait.
there across from you.
Will,
There's like
Ah.
3 guys over there.
Oh, I'm hit.
I just got paid.
kid, you're out. Will, Will.
Might not want to film me. I'm kind of out of ammo.
What?
You might not want to film me. I'm kind of out of ammo.
Well, if you didn't shoot so much, you won't be out of ammo.
top right corner.
I didn't even know you were there.
So, Jared,
Yeah.
Mr. Tommy.
You got to, hey.
Somebody shot?
Yeah.
You might say it.
No.